As you can see from the very first picture, Johnson Wholesale is a full-line janitorial supply. Take a couple minutes and just watch this little short video. Johnson Wholesale carries Minuteman equipment, all their equipment. We also carry VaporTech odor control, which is made with essential oils. Airex products, they're great products as well. Aztec floor scrubbers, mostly propane buffers. Cleancrete, which is a great concrete cleaner, very high concentrate. Green Clean sanitation tablets. Hawk has a full line of buffers that are used all over the country. CleanRite has another manufacturer of lots of different kinds of products. We also carry Malish scrubbing brushes, stripping brushes, concrete polishing, and so forth. Also carry MultiClean. They have a whole variety of cleaning chemicals. National Chemical Laboratory, same thing, full line of products. Odorside, another odor control company. Onyx, propane buffers and battery scrubbers, great company. Perfect Group, which is vacuums and so forth. powr-flite is a full line of cleaning products and machines as well. We do battery chargers just as well. We also do nitro gloves and many other gloves. We carry microbial test kits. A lot of people need to use those. Tornado is another fine manufacturer of products we carry. U.S. Products carries mostly carpet cleaning equipment. And VaporTech, again, they're a great company for odor control. True Clean, industrial cleaning chemicals. And then you've got your basic stuff like people use every day, can liners, towel dispensers, tissues, towels, etc., those kind of things. If we can help you with anything, give us a call, 828-283-1999, if you don't see it on our website.